In this tutorial, you will learn how to use FileZilla Command Line Site Manager's advanced features. The Site Manager is where you add and edit server connections. To view a list of your sites, use the Site List command. This command lists the sites in the current folder. To create a new folder, enter the command sitemkd. To change the current folder, use the command sitecd. To know which folder is the current folder, use the command sitecwf. New sites are created under the current directory. To create a copy of a site, use the command sitecopy. If you omit the destination name when copying a site, FileZilla Pro CLI adds a number to it. To return to the previous folder, use the command sitecd followed by 2 dots. To remove a folder, use the sitermf command. You will be asked to confirm the removal of the folder and its content. In this video, you learned how to use FileZilla Command Line Site Manager. FileZilla CLI is fast and reliable. Plus, it supports a variety of other cloud protocols: Amazon S3, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Storage, Google Drive, Dropbox, Microsoft OneDrive, OneDrive for Business, Amazon EC2, Backblaze B2, WebDAV, and SharePoint.